top headlines for the day.
गंदा है पर सब धंधा है. Self-proclaimed critic Kamal R. Khan, in a shocking move, has gone ahead and leaked the opening scene of Ajay Devgan Shivai. The war between KRK and Ajay Devgan has been on for quite some time now. The controversial actor from Dubai took on to Twitter to post the opening scene of the film. The post was captioned, "First scene of #Shivai." In doing so, he has violated the Piracy Act, and the VOX Cinema Dubai has even issued a warning to the troublemaker. Understanding his folly, KRK even deleted his tweet, but Reliance Entertainment looks all set to take on him for this. Looks like a criminal action will be initiated against him. For the uninitiated, KRK has drawn dagger with Ajay Devgan and has been hell-bent for sabotaging Shivai. There have also been allegations for Kejo paying him to trash Shivai on social media. राम जाने किसके पीछे किसका राज छुपा है.
As usual, Ajay Devgan has always been doing movies which have been like very different, and you can't actually make out from the trailer what he's actually up to. So we can say I'm expecting something more from the movie, because one time they are showing a family love and this mountaineering thing and etc. So you never know what he's coming up with, but I'm hoping for the best, what he's coming up with.
I am the fan of Ajay Devgan. I have seen Singham at lot of time, and I love Ajay Devgan. So Shiva है.
थोड़ी डिफरेंट है. ट्रेलर जो देखा मैंने उससे तो ये लग रही है थोड़ी डिफरेंट है.
उसका टीज़र भी देखा है मैंने, और उसका एक सॉन्ग उसका रिलीज़ हुआ है वो भी देखा है मैंने. तो सॉन्ग्स का म्यूज़िक और जो इनिशियल बिगनिंग है उसकी शुरुआत जो, और उसका जो रैप है वो अच्छा है. टीज़र में देखा, काफ़ी बिंदास मूवी है, मतलब धमाकेदार मूवी होगी. I think so.
Expectation is quite good, as he's a good actor in the industry, Bollywood. So, and he's directing a movie Shiva as a director first time. So we are having quite good expectations. So I'll surely go and watch for it.
जैसे कि उनकी हर मूवी कॉमेडी और एक्शन रहती है, और इस टाइम पे वो खुद ही डायरेक्ट किए हैं, तो लगता है कि कुछ नया देखने को मिलेगा इसमें.
मैं अजय देवगन का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ सर. इसके लिए अजय देवगन की मूवी हमें देखना है, वही मिस कर रहे हैं हम. अजय देवगन की मूवी देखना है हमें सिर्फ.
अजय देवगन के लिए एक्साइटेड हूँ सर, क्योंकि अजय देवगन मैं बचपन से देख रहा हूँ, बहुत बढ़िया. जिनकी जो भी मूवी आती है उसकी बढ़िया आती है.
अजय देवगन की फिल्म को लेकर एक्साइटेड है, क्योंकि वो उसका रोल बहुत अच्छा रहता है.
मैं अजय देवगन की मूवी के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ, क्योंकि ही इज़ माई बेस्ट एक्टर, लाइक इज़ माई फेवरेट एक्टर.
एक्चुअली इज़ अ गुड एक्टर, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी उसका डायरेक्शन भी अच्छा होगा. सो आई होप इट वुड बी गुड.
I think Ajay Devgan is a fine actor in the Bollywood industry. So I think his movie will be definitely a good one. I have a lot of expectation from him from this Shivai. So I'll go to watch it. I saw the trailer of the movie. I found it very different. It's whole new concept. So I'm very excited to watch it.
Because Ajay Devgan का है तो every movie of Ajay Devgan is different.
Ajay Devgan is the best. Ajay Devgan is the best.
We love Shivai.
Hey friends, as we all know, Ajay Devgan's most anticipated movie Shivai is all set to release worldwide over more than 60 countries, and now Shivai is ready to star Middle East by tomorrow. People who have attended Shivai's screening have reportedly said Shivai is gonna storm Bollywood with Ajay Devgan's thumbed out performance. अब देखते हैं how much stormed this Indian action thriller, directed and produced by Ajay Devgan under his home production, Ajay Devgan Films, starring Ajay Devgan, Saisha Sehgal and polished beauty Erika Carr in lead roles, could create on audience and critics. Well, we hope all these speculations for Shivai prove to be true, and this dream project of Ajay Devgan does well at the box office. Well friends, what do you think? Will Shivai create such a storm on box office after its release? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
पर ये बात किसी से नहीं छुपी है कि भाई की अगर किसी से एक बार लड़ाई हो जाए, then he isn't forgiven by him any sooner. And क्या आप जानते हैं कि बी टाउन में कौन है भाई का नया दुश्मन? Who has taken this new panga with Salman? Well, let us tell you that he is none other than Om Prakash Mehra. जी हाँ, मिर्जिया के डायरेक्टर ओम प्रकाश मेहरा ने कर दिया है दबंग खान को अपसेट। Well, we all know Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Salman doesn't share a good bond. And अब सलमान का झगड़ा हो गया है ओम प्रकाश मेहरा से। But do you know the reason behind this? Well, अगर रिपोर्ट्स की बात करें तो सलमान और ओम प्रकाश के बीच स्पेन में एक अवार्ड फंक्शन के दौरान किसी बात को लेकर काफी बड़ा आर्ग्यूमेंट हुआ था। Yes guys, and since then they aren't in talking terms. बट ये बात सामने तो तब आई जब बिग बॉस लॉन्च के वक्त सलमान ने संजय लीला बंसाली के जगह राकेश ओम प्रकाश मेहरा का नाम लिया। Well, it seems that भाई ने एक तीर से दो निशाने मार दिए।
Hello friends, we are back with yet another shocking dastan from Bollywood. The single screen exhibitors will not screen Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Raees and Dear Zindagi. Yes, you heard it right. Recently, the single screen exhibitors of Cinema Owners and Exhibitors Association of India have decided to uphold their decision not to screen all films starring Pakistani actors in the forthcoming months. Starting with Ranbir Kapoor, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Shah Rukh Khan and Mahira Khan's Raees, and Alia Bhatt's Dear Zindagi. This decision of Cinema Owners and Exhibitors Association of India will not only increase a trouble for filmmakers and distributors, but decision could turn troublesome for single-screen audiences as well. So guys, what do you have to say about the single-screen exhibitors refusing to screen Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, Raees and Dear Zindagi? Do let us know and share your views in the comment section below.
Hello friends, as the countdown for Diwali has been started and on the other side, most anticipated movie of the year, Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is going to release on the box office on this Friday. And the buzz is, the movie is already sky high before its release. The most expensive ticket of ADHM cost Rs 2200. Yes, you heard it right. That's the most expensive ticket available for Ranbir Kapoor and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Shocked to know this? PVR Director's Cut in Delhi is offering the costliest ticket of Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. Well, as we all know, audience is very excited for this movie, so the rates of the tickets are sky high. What do you guys have to say about Ae Dil Hai Mushkil having the costliest ticket ever? Do let us know your views in the comment section below. This Diwali is going to be a big one. Of course, we know the reason why. Well, Kejo's Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is all set to clash with Ajay Devgan's Shivai this Friday, and both the movies have created a huge buzz. But you will be shocked to know that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shivai are not only competing with each other, but also with Sallu's Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Yes guys, I'm sure you will be wondering how Salman came into the picture, hai na? Well, let me tell you that Prem Ratan Dhan Payo released on Diwali last year. Also, you'll be glad to know that it became the highest grossing Diwali release ever. Well, its lifetime collection was 210.16 crores. And thus now you know that it has set new targets for Ae Dil Hai Mushkil and Shivai to achieve. So guys, what do you think? Will these two movies be able to beat Prem Ratan Dhan Payo? Well, comment below.
The news of Salman Khan's loyal bodyguard Shera has gone viral for all the wrong reasons. We now hear that Shera, who has been booked under Section 326, 503 and 504 of the IPC at the DN Nagar police station, has been picked up from his apartment by the Mumbai police, who are now interrogating him on the basis of the FIR report filed by the complainant. However, before being arrested, Shera also made a statement in an interview that the reported case wasn't a scuffle but a heated verbal argument. He also mentioned that the incident took place when, after visiting a friend at Kokilabein Hospital, he later hopped on to Pop Dates, where the verbal duel took place, and that too on a phone, and hence the question of physical altercation doesn't arise. Now we are all waiting to hear what Bhaijan will do for his loyal Shera. Keep watching this space for more.